Good day, teachers and fellow students of AMA Computer Learning Center Macau. I am Francie and I was assigned to discuss CORBA. CORBA stands for Common Object Request Broker Architecture. CORBA is an architecture and specification for creating, distributing, and managing distributed program objects in a network. It allows programs at different locations and developed by different vendors to communicate in a network through an interface broker. CORBA was developed by a consortium of vendors through the Object Management Group or OMG, which currently includes over 500 member companies. OMG was created in 1989. OMG does not provide any software. The first version of CORBA was released in July 1992 as Object Management Architecture Guide. CORBA is a distributed object-based systems provides interoperability. It is a middleware neither 2-tier or 3-tier arc. Can be written in C, C++, or Java language. CORBA describes a messaging mechanism by which objects distributed over a network can communicate with each other irrespective of the platform and language used to develop those objects. CORBA enables collaboration between systems on different operating systems, programming language, and computing hardware. Example of CORBA is distributed object paradigm. CORBA, world's leading middleware solution enabling the exchange of information independent of hardware platforms, programming languages, and operating system. This is an example of CORBA architecture. Consists of two systems, the client and the object implementations, also known as server. On the client side, consists of interface repository, a dynamic invocation, ideal stubs, and ORB interface. On the object implementation side, consists of static ideal skeleton, dynamic skeleton, an object adapter, and implementation repository. Client and server communicate through ORB core. ORB stands for Object Request Broker. It gives a communication infrastructure that is capable of relaying object requests across distributed platform. The client requesting the object through ORB interface provided by the ORB has a separate client and server. IDL stands for Interface Definition Language. This is the specification language used to describe a software component's application programming interface or API. IDLs are commonly used to remote procedure call software. CORBA services. Clock service maintains the synchronized time. Authentication service validates user IDs. Object storage services is a file system for object. Lifecycle services is an overseas activation, the activation, storage, checking point, etc. Transactions and replication services, naming services, security services. So that would be the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching.